Hello, this is Kaushik Naidu. Thank you for using the GreenRider application. GreenRider is an easy to use rideshare application that you can use to carpool in your organization. In this short video, I will walk you through how you can use GreenRider for carpool. So when you click on the GreenRider tab, you are going to see a Google map that shows you all the available rides in your organization. By clicking on one of these pointers, you can get more information about the ride itself. And when you see a ride that works for you, you can click on Chatter to collaborate about that ride. Now let's go through the process of setting up a ride. I'm going to walk you through GreenRider as myself, who's interested in offering a ride, and then we will look at this as a different user from a ride taker's perspective and see how they can use GreenRider to carpool. So I can click on offer ride and fill out a simple form to offer a ride. So I'm going to offer a ride from work to where I live, which is Healdsburg. So I fill out the ride address, the company address, and the days that I want to offer the ride, and also the direction. And once I click save, it'll take you back to the map, and you'll notice that there's a new ride plotted now in the map. And if I click on it, I can get more information about the ride itself, the days, the direction, the addresses, etc. So as a ride giver, at this point, I'm done. Now let's switch gears, and I'm going to log in as, let me go back to the home page here to show you that I'm logged in as John Smith. And if I click on GreenRider now, you're going to see that John is going to get all the rides available, including the ride that we just created. So John lives in Healdsburg. He thinks this ride might work for him. At this point, he can say, click on Chatter, and he can add a comment here, something like, hey Kaushik, I see that you're offering a ride from work to Healdsburg. I live on 1st Street with 5 p.m. work. John can also decide to follow this ride. So any changes that I make to the ride, for example, if I change the day that I'm offering the ride to just Mondays, John will automatically get a notification of that through Chatter. Other people who are interested in a ride from work to Healdsburg can also comment on this ride and follow this ride and use Chatter to collaborate and create a carpool ride. So let's go back to my login. One other thing with GreenRider is this impact tab. If I click on it, basically carpooling is a great way to save money and also reduce your carbon footprint. And by changing these parameters here, like the number of passengers and total miles traveled, etc., I can actually look at things like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide emissions. So if I change these parameters, I can see how it affects the environment. I can also see gas saved in gallons. You can see how you are actually impacting the environment by just playing around with this highly interactive dashboard. You can also change cost per gallon and see the dollars saved per month and year. See what kind of money savings comes out of carpooling. These facts are provided by the Environmental Protection Agency, so you can go to their website and get more information. And there's also one last thing is there's a handy video here that you can play. It's a YouTube video that gives you a sort of a 10-step guide to reducing your carbon footprint. So that is GreenRider. It's version 1. It's very easy to use, very interactive, and I hope you will have some fun using this app. At the same time, it is a useful app. By offering rides and taking rides, you can track all of that in this application, in the map, and you can truly impact or lower your carbon footprint. Thank you for your time today.